I believe you've heard of ExpertOption before, but you probably didn't take the time to find out how you could be able to make money from it because you don't know how to use it. In this video, I'm going to be walking you through the platform, how to create an account, how to make deposits, how to trade and make money, how to withdraw, and how to do virtually everything on this platform. For beginners with little or no experience, I'm also going to be showing you how to get $10,000 in your demo account so you can use it to trade and get yourself familiarized with this platform. If you subscribe to my YouTube channel, I'm going to be making series of videos in the next couple of weeks to show you strategies of how to be making money on ExpertOption within a few seconds every single day. Hey guys, my name is Emmanuel Jacob, and if you are new here, do well to subscribe and turn on post notification. Once you are done with that, just tell me your name in the comments below so I can officially welcome you. To get started, all you have to do is to visit the website and click on register, input your email address and your password, open an account. Once you are done with registration, the next thing you want to do is to deposit. To deposit, we have several payment methods, and the first one on the list is Binance Pay. So if you have a Binance account, you can easily pay from your Binance account. And you can also choose to pay using crypto but not from Binance. Let's say you want to withdraw from either Bybit, Trust Wallet, or any other cryptocurrency platforms, and you choose which of the cryptocurrency you want to be making the deposit with. The good part is when you create an account, ExpertOption gives you an opportunity for you to be able to get 2 times your money. So if you deposit from $20 to $1,000, you are going to be getting 100% bonus, that is 2 times your money. And if you deposit $2,500, you are going to be getting extra $1,000. Isn't that amazing? And the good part is, if you are not interested in this bonus, you can deposit a minimum of $10 and you can start with as low as $10. After you've decided how much you want to deposit, just click on pay, click on proceed to payment, and you can send USDT using TRC20 network, or you can use ERC20 network being Ethereum network. You can deposit USDC, you can deposit Bitcoin, and you can deposit Ethereum. Alternatively, as a beginner that is not really familiar with ExpertOption, you could possibly start with $10,000 from your demo account. So for you to be able to toggle between demo and real account, all you have to do is to click on where we have real balance, and there's going to be a pop-up from the bottom. Then you are going to see demo account. So if you switch to a demo account, you are going to be able to trade with $10,000 on a demo account. So $10,000 is huge enough for you to be able to play around, get yourself familiarized, and even become a pro. Then you can start using the money from your real account to execute trades. And there's one thing about demo accounts: there's no emotions attached to a demo account, right? And it is fine if you just want to take maybe 2 to 3 to 5 trades using a demo account, but I would advise you to try using even as deposit as little as maybe $20 if you don't want to risk so much, and try using real accounts, because with real accounts you're actually going to feel something if the market goes in opposite direction, and that way it will help you to be able to learn as fast as possible. I'm saying this from experience. So to trade, we have various currency pairs. We have Euro USD, we have football index, we have Smarty, we have AI index, we have AUD USD, we have USD dollar index, and we even have cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, we have Ethereum, and we have altcoin index. So you can trade any of these currency pairs to make money. Just select this and choose any currency pair of your choice and start trading and make money. So you know I love cryptocurrency a lot, and I'm going to be going for Bitcoin. So I just click on BTC, then I'm going to click on confirm. Then the next thing I have to do is we have various indicators that can help you to be able to analyze the market before you think of initiating trades. And if you are not comfortable using charts on this platform, which I feel the chart is okay, you can use charts from TradingView or other platforms that you are quite familiar with. To have access to these indicators, all you have to do is to click on this button, and you click on this button, and it's going to show you various available indicators, and you could actually add more indicators if you want. So in this case, I think I want to go for RSI, and you could literally choose the colors, the period, the level, and everything. So I don't want to change anything. I'm just going to click on confirm, and you can see at the bottom of the screen I have RSI. So also, if you are not comfortable with the way this chart is looking, you can basically change it to candlesticks by clicking on this button and change it to candlesticks. Then you can choose the time frame from 5 seconds to a minute, an hour, to 7 days to a month. Right, so I think I want to go for 1 minute. I'm going to click on confirm, and here you go. This is beautiful. So I think I want to change the time frame. Let me change the time frame to 5 seconds. Right, so for you to be able to execute trade after you are done with your analysis, all you have to do is to click on investments, and you could literally manually type. Let's say you want to type like let me delete this, $50. You could do that, or you could, let's say for instance it was 1 before, you could actually use the plus button to increase how much you want to use, and you can select the duration of your option. Let's say you want your option to expire in 1 minute, you can make your choice. If you want it to expire in 24 hours, you can use the custom and put the amount of hours you want your option to last. So for the purpose of this video, I think I want to trade with $10, and I want to go for maybe a minute duration. Then I'm just going to click on buy. So I just click on buy, and you can see that I've entered the trade with $10. So once you've clicked on buy, this is how to make money. Pay attention. Once you click on buy, if the market goes above your entry price, then you are actually going to be making profit. And if you click on buy and the market starts going opposite direction, that is going down, you're actually going to be losing money, right? And the same is applicable if you click on sell. If you click on sell, it means that you're going to profit if the market starts dropping after you've clicked on sell. It's actually going to show you the price level you entered, and it's going to show you on the chart if the market is either going up or going down. Right, to check your trade, just click on this button, and you are going to see if you're in profit or loss, and you could literally close a trade before the time elapses. So this one, you can see that I'm already in profit, and I think I should end up with about $16. You can see I've been able to earn $16 just like that. And if you check my demo balance, it has added $6 from $10,000 to additional $6 because I have made extra $6. So my $10 has become 16, and the profit is $6. So if I'm actually selling or shorting, and the price of Bitcoin or any currency pair starts dropping after I have entered the trade, then I'm going to make money. But if it goes in opposite direction, that is going up, then I'm actually going to be losing money in the process. This is very simple. This is very cute. But yes, understand that the financial market is very volatile. You could lose money and you could make money. So like I said earlier, I'm going to be making series of videos sharing strategies to making profits on this platform. So do well to stay tuned. So after you've made profit, what next? You just click on, that is, you want to make withdrawals, you just click on finances, and you are going to see withdraw. Then you are going to see the available options for withdrawal, and these are the options. I think I prefer using Skrill. You could use Skrill, Perfect Money, NetStella. you could use Bank of America, right? So I think that's basically it. And to check, you can check your payment history by clicking here. Deposit history, everything is going to display here. And yes, note that this is a demo account, right? So we are going to go back to trade. And let me just show you other things you need to know. So in case you want to enter multiple trades or you want to check out multiple trades, you can literally click on this button and you click on the plus button to add other currency pairs. And also here, if you click on it, it's going to give you an automatic currency pair, which you have the liberty to switch to other ones, which I'm going to switch this one to Ethereum. Click on confirm and we are good to go. I can also add other currency pairs by clicking here. And if I'm interested in trading Euro USD, I can allow this to be. So if I want to change from one currency pair to the other, all I have to do is to click here. Then I'm going to see the available currency pair I added. I'm just going to click on any of it, check if there is any trading opportunity, trade and make money. And also I can also lose money, so you have to understand that this is trading, right? So if you click on the menu button at the top left corner, you are going to see lots of options, and we have education. So under education, you are going to find lots of tutorials on how to navigate through the platform, on strategies to making money. So this is like a university that is going to give you lots of information on how to be able to navigate through this platform profitably. Don't forget that I promised earlier on that I'm going to be making series of videos sharing strategies to making money on ExpertOption. I mean lots of money, right? Strategies that will help you to make money within 6 seconds every single day. So to ensure not to miss out on this video, do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel and share this video with the people you care about. If you have any question, do well to drop it in the comments below and I will be in the comments chatting with you guys. For more tutorials on updates like this in making money in the cryptocurrency space, the options, forex space, do well to join our Telegram channel, for this is where you are going to be getting lots of tutorials, opportunities, updates and lots more. Thank you for watching and I hope to see you in the next one. Goodbye.